Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at Hype, which has been showing some really strong bullish momentum over the past 24 hours. The token has gained approximately 4%, while trading volume has surged by more than 32%. This suggests that buying interest is really continuing to build. This increase in volume is a very encouraging sign because it often indicates stronger market participation. If buyers maintain control, Hype could continue pushing toward higher resistance levels. However, as always, it is so important to wait for proper confirmation before entering any trade. I also wanted to let you know that our latest Hype trading setup is now available on Patreon. We have just shared a complete trade idea, including everything you need to know. I would absolutely love for you to join our Patreon trading community for just $10 per month, where you can gain access to premium trading ideas and market insights. You will find the Patreon link right down in the video description and in the pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this update, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest crypto market analysis and trading opportunities. And a quick reminder, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Always do your own research, use proper risk management, and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment or trading decisions.